Hello there, HD race fans. See, I'm making a video today of my Harley Sportster 1275 race bike. I raced it in the Super Street class in AMRA last year, 2017. It's 2018 now, February, and I just pulled the bike out of my other garage and put it here in my work area, and I'm gonna start working on it. I'm hoping to race a little bit this summer. First race is coming up in Bowling Green, Kentucky, April 28th. It is the weekend of April 28th, 2018. So I'm hoping to maybe make it. This bike, I built it last year, so it's been to maybe about 6 races. It's a 1995 883 Sportster it started out as. And it's been through a lot of changes. It's going to go through more changes, and so I thought I'd talk about some of those changes that I'm looking at starting to work on it here, since the first race is about 3 months away. Some of the things I'm going to do to it, I'm changing the rear sprocket. I'm going up to a higher gear. I was too low geared at the last race. That happened because I changed my shift points. I had the bike on the dyno right before the last race of last year, which was at Rockingham, North Carolina, the Rock. And I was shifting at around 7,500 RPMs. And I found that it was only making horsepower to about 68 when I put it on the dyno. So I went down to my shift points, and I ended up with not tall enough gear. Ran out of gear on the high end. So I'm going down a couple teeth on my rear sprocket, smaller. Do some more top end. And this bike's 68-inch wheelbase. I made a swing arm 10 inches over. I've got some videos on it. If you look on my channel, HD Racing. So it's one of the things I'm going to do is change the sprocket. And these sprockets, I was running a 530 chain, but then I switched over to a 520 for less weight, and this is a dish sprocket. It's a Harley setup, Harley wheel, so I can't find the 520 sprocket, so I take it to a machinist and have him machine it down to a 520. It takes 1/4 of an inch off from it. And it's dished because I have a 1/2 inch offset on the transmission so I can run the wider rear wheel. It's a Shinko 003 tire. I'm also going to make some other changes. Right now, I've had, probably this is going to be my 3rd different pipe on there. That's a Dan Moto pipe. I'm going to switch it over to some Cycle Shack pipes that I picked up here. These are the Cycle Shack 216. I think it's PhD 216. So they're stepped 2-inch pipes, tapered. I'm going to try them. You guys seem to like them at the track. And I'm also going to try a set of Progressive 970 gas-filled shocks. I currently have struts on the bike. I had a couple other pairs of shocks on the bike. This Super Street class is a no wheelie bar street, and I had a lot of trouble with wheeling last year. I tried a bunch of different things. Of course, I'm learning too about the shock setting, and I spent a lot of time in the air out of the hole. So I'm hoping to attempt to eliminate some more of that this year, because the bike was really in the air a lot last year and I didn't like that. This is a 1275 hammer motor with the new BFH heads. He says he changes the angle of the valve. Hey, I can give it a start here. I put the battery in it just to see, put a little gas in it. I had it all drained, but not in the garage, so give it a start, let you hear it. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, so I thought I'd make a video, just give you guys a little update, something to watch. Since it's been a little while since I made a video, it's the winter time, it's February, and I've been working on a bunch of other bikes here in my garage. I got a Buell XB9 over there, and I've got other bikes that I've had in my heated area here, so yeah, I'm going to be doing some other things to it too, but I just thought I'd give you a small update on where I was and what I'm doing, and try to make a Harley Sportster video for my Sportster fans. I know I have a lot of them out there, so appreciate you watching. Appreciate if you'd sub my channel. YouTube made some changes recently about monetization and subscriptions and hours of video watched in a 12-month period, so I'm a little short of that. So I would appreciate as many subs as I could get, and you can expect to be seeing more videos from me. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye now.